Title: Resellering's Rhyme Time Revolution. In the realm of resale, where chaos meets glee, Reselling reigns, as wild as can be. A tale of profits, both wacky and wise. Hold on to your hats, it's a Reselling surprise. In thrift store jungles, where treasures do hide, Reselling searches, with arms open wide. From polyester suits to a disco ball hat, everything's fair game in this wildcat spat. Bubble wrap battles, a shipping dance floor. Reselling's antics leave us wanting more. Boxes and tape, a comedic ballet, unwrapping the laughs in a reselling display. Customer reviews, oh, what a delight. Some claim world peace by the soft candlelight. A porcelain cat, a cure for the blues. Only Reselling could walk in those shoes. Dancing with boxes, twirling with glee. Reselling's moves are a sight to see. A jig with a mailman, a two-step routine. In the world of reselling, it's a whimsical dream. So here's to Reselling, the jester of sales, turning thrift store finds into internet tales. In this zany market, where humor takes flight, Reselling's a poet of profits, both crazy and right. Note, the poem adheres to PG-13 guidelines, keeping the humor light and enjoyable for a wide audience.